Most people are telling you to do Amazon affiliate marketing the wrong way. And chances are, because you're watching this video, you want to learn the real tips, tricks, and tactics to actually make $100 per day with Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to show you the old way, the wrong way, and I'm actually going to reveal the better way with a few examples. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I help new affiliate marketers start affiliate marketing the right way so that they can reach their first milestone of $100 per day. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So you want to learn Amazon affiliate marketing, but you've probably watched a few videos where people are just telling you to go sign up for Amazon and put your affiliate link in all different places. That's not going to work. That may have worked 5-10 years ago, but it doesn't work anymore. Let me just illustrate what people are telling you to do. They're telling you, for example, to start a YouTube channel in technology or TVs, for example, and then go get your affiliate link from Amazon, go to amazon.com and sign up, and then just direct link over to the TV that you're promoting. Now, it can be anything, a sound bar, stand mixer, security camera, anything, okay? I'm just using TVs for example. In this example, you can see I still promote these old school TVs with the bunny ears at the top. These people are sad because you're not making as much money as you should be and could be with Amazon affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and talk about the right way. The first thing that you want to do, obviously, is you want to become an affiliate. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on Become an Affiliate. Or you can go to affiliate-amazon.com and sign up there. It's going to take probably 15 to 20 minutes to sign up. So now that you've signed up, now you want to start promoting and start making some money. Great. Let's go ahead and talk about the absolute best way to do this. Let's use these microphones, for example. I recently purchased these microphones. They're pretty good wireless microphones, and they're really popular right now. So this makes for a great product to promote. People will tell you to go get your affiliate link and post it on TikTok. That's not going to work. The better way is to figure out what problem this microphone solves, because overall, there's an underlying problem, and that's the reason people are buying this. They want better audio. But what do they want better audio for? That is the underlying issue. Why are they looking for better audio? If you can understand that, if you can figure that out, then you can make a ton of money starting off with these simple Rode wireless microphones. So what we're going to do is first, let's do a little bit of keyword research. We're going to use YouTube, for example, and we're going to think of all of the different things that people want to know with regards to these wireless microphones. Now, this can be applied to anything, but I'm just using these microphones as an example because I recently purchased them. So if we go Rode Wireless Go 2, we're going to just copy this like this, and we are going to paste in this just like that. And so what we can do is we can start creating content here. There's a lot of options. At the very bottom of what I like to call a funnel or pyramid, people are typing in review, unboxing, first impressions. For example, if we look at review video, you're going to see there are a lot of people creating content here. This is a good idea. People know the problem, they know the solution, and so they just want to make sure that they are buying the right product for their needs. You can see on the right-hand side, it doesn't have a ton of competition. There's a pretty good amount of people that are searching for this, so you could create content here. Also, if we step it up just a little bit, let me give you a better illustration. So when I talk about an inverted pyramid, I am talking about this right here. This is how people search. Okay, this is how people come to a buying decision. And so we've got people up here who are happy. They are excited. They don't think they have any problems. Okay, people all the way down here are typing in review. I'm going to put rev because they know the problem and they know the solution. When they are typing in Rode Wireless Go 2 review, they know the problem and they know the solution. People that know the problem, know the solution are most likely going to buy that product. And so we've got the money sign down here. So if we take this a step up just a little bit, this is called comparison X versus Y. Now, this is important in really understanding your target audience and how you can make the most money possible. Okay. And so what we're going to do here is we can go Rode Wireless Go 2 versus, okay. And this all may sound familiar, but I guarantee you by the end of this video, you will learn something new. You will have a new perspective on how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Again, because most people are telling you to do this the wrong way. And so what you see here is people are comparing two products. They're comparing the Rode Wireless Go 2 versus some of their competitors. Let's look at this. Holly Bland Lark 150. You are simply going to talk about the pros and cons of each and which one is right for which situation. This is great because if we look over here, people have a pretty good idea of the problem and the solution for their problems. And so you can obviously make money here. If we step up just a little bit, people are looking up best X for Y, and they're looking up best X under Y. So X under Y, okay? Under Y like that. And if we go back over here, people are typing in, and most likely, no one has told you to do this. People are typing in something like best wireless microphone for. And now look at this. People are looking up best wireless microphone for singing, YouTube, iPhone, camera, karaoke, vlogging, or live performance. And so what you can do here is you can put together a list of the 5 or 10 best wireless microphones, and you're going to get in front of a highly targeted group of people. So another thing that I mentioned was X under Y. So if we did best wireless microphone under, and again, hopefully you're starting to see the picture, best wireless microphone under $200. And again, you can put together a list of the 5 or 10 best wireless microphones under $200. You can see 20,000 views, 5.2 thousand views, 1,000 views. This person only has 8,000 subscribers, 30 views. This person only has 2 subscribers. So if you put together a comprehensive list and you explain why they're the best, you can start seeing traffic. Okay. And so if we come back over here to our whiteboard, people are asking who, what, so the 5 W's. If you went to elementary school in the US, you learned about the 5 W's and 1 why. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. This is a very important step, and this step can actually help you make a lot of money simply because these people are first entering into the funnel. They know they have a problem, but they don't know the solution. And if you can understand this can actually help you make more money down here, and you can actually make even more money in multiple ways. So people are coming to the internet and they're typing in things like how to get more views on YouTube. And one of the ways that they can get more views is simply to have better audio. Or maybe they're typing in how to have better audio. And look at this, how to have better audio quality, how to have better audio in Warzone. They're asking different questions, how to have good audio on YouTube. Now, one of the best ways to get good audio on YouTube is to have a better microphone. And so if you start thinking about this, you start understanding this, this is your opportunity to make money. But what I encourage you to do is you can start with any product. This works for any product, but think about the why. The reason why people want this microphone. They want better audio. They want to make better content. You could type in something like how to make better content on YouTube. People are, look at these questions, how to make better content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You can see people are asking all sorts of questions here. And one of the best ways to make better content is to have better audio. So the step 2 or 3 is simply to do a little bit of keyword research and figure out what your target audience wants to know and the reason behind they are buying the products. They're not just buying these products to buy them. There is an underlying reason. People buy better audio equipment so they can make more money. Okay. People buy better video equipment so they can get more views. And in most cases, most views equal more money. If you can understand the why behind the product, you can make more money. And this is where we get a little different. Okay. So in the past, as I showed you, people are creating content and they're sending directly over to a product. This is a TV, as I mentioned. What we're going to do is we are actually going to create content the same way. And this can be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, a blog, whatever it is. But what we're going to do is we are actually going to send them to a special little page that's going to make us a little bit more money, a lot of bit more money, actually. This page is called a landing page. And what we're going to do with this landing page is we are going to collect names and email addresses. Why? So that we can follow up with them with even more products that they need to help them achieve their end result. Okay. And so on this page, this is called a landing page. We are going to have a headline that says, free guide free blueprint, free checklist, free mini course on how to improve your audio quality, or how to get more views on YouTube, or how to do X in Y without Z, how to make more money online with your content without spending $1,000. Okay. And so we're going to collect their name and their email, and they're going to go to our email list. And then on this next page here, we are going to have a simple little page here where we actually include some affiliate links. Okay. And this is a great place to start making some money. And on these links, we might have one link to that microphone. I was going to try and draw a microphone, but I can't. I might have another affiliate link for the best camera for content creators. Let me try and draw this. So I'm going to draw a little microphone here. Yeah, that's good enough. And so we're going to have a few links here. Maybe we have a link to a course that teaches them how to make better YouTube videos. But what's more important is we have their name and their email, and we can send them emails every single day on autopilot, selling them different things, asking them what problems they have, and then finding solutions for those problems. The reason why this is a better way is simply this. Most people don't buy right away. And so what happens is you send people over to this offer, and then they don't buy, and you lose out on that opportunity. However, if you're collecting their email, you can market to these people over and over and over again for eternity, or until they unsubscribe. Okay. And so you can ask these people, hey, you signed up to learn more about this microphone, but what do you really want to do? What do you need? Why do you need this microphone? How can this microphone help you achieve your end goals? And when they reply, the microphone could help me, get more views on TikTok, you can say, here is more things that can help you get more leads on TikTok or get more traffic on TikTok. This is the way to making $100 per day. Okay. This is the way to make $100 per day faster. Can you make $100 per day with this method? Yes, you can. But the problem is with this method is it's going to take a much longer time, because 90% of the people that will not buy the second they see you. Okay. It takes multiple times seeing you before they trust you enough to buy. You can also grow your business faster. Let's say you're starting a brand new YouTube channel. You're collecting emails. You can send them emails anytime you upload a brand new piece of content. In fact, what you could do is you could actually start a website and then embed your YouTube videos into the website and include different affiliate links in your website based on the content that you're creating. For example, let's say you create one video on how to make better YouTube videos. You could go out and find different affiliate programs and embed them into your website. And then you can actually make more money that way. So just to recap step by step, what you can do is find a product that you are interested in creating content on Amazon. Take a step back and figure out the why behind this product, why people are buying this product. And to help you with that, you can come down and look at the reviews and the ratings and the questions, and that's going to give you some idea as to why people are buying this product. And once you understand that, you can start thinking about other questions that they're asking, and then you can actually grow your business. You're going to create content. You're going to send them to a landing page, collect their name and their email address, and then you can actually send them affiliate links on that next page. But then you can also include affiliate links inside of the emails as well. This is the straightest, fastest path to $100 per day. And believe me, once you get this set up, you'll be making money on autopilot. So you can actually start email marketing for free using either GetResponse or Aweber, and they'll actually walk you through the process 100% for free. Now that you know how to make $100 per day on Amazon, click the first link in the description for a free training that shows you step by step how to make money online as a complete beginner without a huge following on social media, a huge mailing list, or spending a dime on paid ads. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.